ya ba ko pa
Enkofo yare ya be ubo ho ban de.
So ready en mo so dia fe yi aka no. Nti se ya amampanyi de kuye ni nyina so. So le ya ya no bi choma konye da so ti enkanya hadi.
Wadama Africa dent na de bia na ye feli.
Yeah, so my mini kan fa konye so na mentia watifu nyanya da funu nyina. Never just ohun look yes be I said if you o se feel dia no dey no we wait like I said DNT na be person be na enya challenges be and obstacles no I be and say business no boss be unim etifu nyina betumi akire intia sanye mano be so to there edin kan ba ko ne se em se waka yi ho asemacha na se de na aka no raja dum ti em se agenda no mpanyinfo eyo ma so mo de be juma no ina kwan en parliamentary clerks and so my menja ye no mo eche entino ya nanti ho kakra ya ye ho juma kakra na uhwe bibisa nti ya nan kan kuyi no de din kan no e kwa mo faso o mo de ka adwene no policy no ko mo formulate no ka ya na questionable oh yes my agenda 2023 but me I say young to me say it was dead at the thing that a wukura but the problem to not start you can say no we document no one who say bra almost celebrity and I celebrity 50 years of AU which was 2013 and almost say chinwa no so when you be here say be at the fufuro which was a very good idea. Now we 5 years when so be one now see 50 years. The first question is how much time some policy together and the person 50 years on Kabeto. And to one could head of state in representatives 60 years, 70 years for policies now. They have challenges almost take what will happen 10, 20 years to come or make me here. You can't bet now for that period, no, we're never involved. Until no, yeah, the energy of the also will be emfa and mobra. No, maybe a year targeting maybe when you go. Now, policy document name will quite fast to Kabu no question. Another question is our document on and say most of Omo put two policy together where the ruling regimes. And the idea say you hear Mampenida da Mahama Pensu. Until delegation of course, some of our opposition for no back one million, but most of them and the party leaders no. Okoka document in boom, the same applies to good luck. Implementation and starting about good. The question is what was your policy they are to without the involvement of Nipana Wabe taking over now will be due or minus. What do you expect? One only put manifesto what promising Nema why you only to one of idea who I could face the cash at all so my pension on I say a nation. A nation on memory design but not such a critical policy. And by not involving them now with 2 years time, 3 years time after the I'm implementing now. Major, most of them because Nigeria is the change government. Ghana. Now okay, I didn't even you were any more my parents you didn't akotene. And the other driver idea no. She said, "Na no kufu the way you be and say yes or ye Pan-Africanist or any Johua or Pan or Bay or Power yet." And that is something I okay said the implementation no. And these are some of the critical things. Again, targets from Keka, virtual university, then the Sanama will be no Keka. What informed that? Data bank. research papa ben ana political research na ya no mo ye no okay bi ka bi che no on TV I think political party be our research officers but I don't know they won't even find anything objective. Until the most critical thing elsewhere is to use people who understand research. When my data say, hey, I never work it out, you have the NMA experiences elsewhere. We have population, we have educational level, the NMA can be an intimate. And that is why target and grab the be anxious, say, or the age. Captain, this is one of the major. Your data now is just the formulated policies in the brain. Yet either they don't exist or yet. We be follow on data be World Bank no acquire ne buy us research be an IMF and NGO be NBB no. That's what they fall on. You don't commission people to go with non-partisan ideas. Say omuko pen ni mamre ni so. Na yem formulated policies. In fact, on that issue in there. We are one of the major, or these are some of the major reasons why the policies don't see much success.
So, Bani say, dear, yan day na ye, Mammy solution.
Oh, dear, when you dear can't connect the minimum can have with my ye. Yeah, can't get to document, no. Nothing I'm no material, I can target in the way you can yamish.
I am so many 10 years, no, 7
years. Oh, but it's the first 10 years in the Kui. And as the first 10 years, you can target out to a first 20 years, as no higher budget 1 year. So the Ghana, not targeting, won't meet TBA. Now we are 10 years budget, dear DNBC. 20 years, no DNBC, and now 10 years DNBC. In the first 10 years, now, unless you want to go back and view it and be realistic, you need to have. It's very nice to be ambitious, but not something that you are insisting. You're shameful for. In fact, if you look at implementation and monitoring and evaluation section of the document now, almost say all member countries should adopt and integrate this document into their national plans, budget, and etc. 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 From 2013, almost 30%. Oh, yeah, budget. Oh, yeah, development plan. In fact, as I said, they should ensure that all political parties will manifesto document, and in your soul. Yeah, missing and I know the former president who will call around for input or they put manifesto together. How many times now see agenda 2063? No. Into the mechanisms that they are called concord for me. They are motivating for Sabaya, Inano, and Kayadibaya Jumano. Anyhow, because one many panels. In fact, as my can you crown what when you are there over who they were. We share a parliamentary collection. Free on international. Significant number of them. Majority of them not only are aware of the content of the document.
Oh, how?
AU
Parliament clerks.
Clerks, they are supposed to parliament, now I'm making laws. Am I yet me at this? I'm we see and I say document to a man.
No one aware of the content.
What the obedience to the NKK. Ubisan also kind of ensure them pay attention. And the MPs themselves, as we speak now, these are almost the same kind document.
Wow.
And this document will say, the group lead and finance and economic planning. Of course, by Parliament Kakrani, the government delegation was dominated by that group. This almost say, what is the meaning and the import of the document, the policy? I quote says coming out to Guyan. So, okay, I was another more try finance minister and what can Sabia, you let me achieve agenda 2023. I pick and choose. Maybe I pick here. I say an issue and coincided with what is in and on IFA. But documents now indicate clearly say, and then I was a year the policy guidelines across levels. In the Ghana, and your national level, local government units, and I may students will be on my researching to it, maybe. We call a whole district assembly, metropolitan assembly. There is not a single page guideline I say because of agenda 2020. Oh yeah, deal with for which to home nothing. And you know, again, who can say who qualify for the same thing. Yeah, we never your budget be so. And you know, I am very difficult. So many things. How can you also by intercontinental highway now? I bet me I bet me start here for baby. Now do about someone yabende. Why ya for Ghana for free Nigeria be for the not for to go to Ghana. Do I can about say yende. Kobende. And you know you don't even have we are not working as a team, a continent, you know. Francophone for na momofa. And North African for they don't want to be part of Africa. And I can't see how we be and that is the reason why if you look at how you work, problems. Multiple common budget, common this. How there are challenges. Now and baby colonial masters almost my point. I mean, it's maybe say bear agree you back say, oh, we realistic and the end home kakra. Now the academy emphasis for there. But for now, they said you be my winner, and this should also inform all of us. At the national level, at the local government level, see your policies are. Policies must say who are one fan call. What bind the Gua, one fan call. What started project you when say won't mean and I want by no good. Say, we could I wouldn't pan out so we can you. Until start here, and we pan share vision. Nipa, necessarily one will be the seat 1 year. I never again, I never see, I never can say, or better because I got an one to us, I ain't already humble. Young, my man, your kid, your 20 and that is the reason I come around this country. We have over 10,000 completed development projects in Ghana. On my idea, we don't know basically anyway, Jay, and I know from 1974 or so, hospital near Jay, who what I saw from was sensible for NDC back who a giant DC here. To that sense, even within NDC itself, and now NPP itself, we talk about now steady at the project here. Only one party no not buy back, buy number so twice. And then it's a very bad attitude. As you are semi and correcting me, you barely say, file documenting, you are finding out, investigating how much money Ghana spent. Accommodation, almost pay DM, air ticket, almost call back to put that document together. But
sir, total cost at that a unit says $17.3 million.
I on the lower side. When I make a choice, almost be a bed. Yeah, we see at his schedule. Now, inquire if the office idea.
Mamendo as a doctor, boy, being BBS Saturn Safra. It is a person who crata now more year and a neboa 180 pages. Offer covers cover na when you cover which in 180 pages. It's 22 nifluma aka 178. Would be a first page na a blank she neso. Until I 177. And the children so answer call back cover no. And so a blank she need back and yinina Tenoson Cajon. And so we divided $17.9 million divided by 176. And it's just a book now what Troy, no, so pages 176 pages, you know. AU4 say what is $17.9 million. Now the cost of Adena Mukoye. But my main